art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas Squishmallow Mickey. So first let's get started over on the top left hand side of our page, and we're going to start by drawing a circle for the hat. Moving into the middle now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. For the base of the hat now, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line as we arch this up towards the right hand side. And now from here at that point, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Starting at that point now, let's curve this all the way back around and then over towards the left hand side. Starting at that point now on the top, we're going to curve this line up, arching this all the way around, connecting it in towards the top of our circle. Let's draw in the base of the body now. So over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle of our page. And then coming over towards the left hand side underneath our circle, we're going to curve this back around and then in, ending this at roughly the same height. Now from here on the left hand side, we're going to curve a small line that arches around and then in towards the middle, flattening that out on the bottom. And then we'll come over towards the right hand side and replicate that, blending that in on that bottom line. Let's draw in the ear up above. So on the right hand side, just moving further up on the hat, let's curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And now moving further down our body, we're going to again curve this all the way around and then back up, connecting that, blending that in on that line. Let's move below now and draw in the shorts. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this around and then in towards the middle. And now flipping over towards the right hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around and back in, blending that in on that line. Let's draw two oval shapes now. So over on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a small oval shape. And now moving over towards the right hand side, leaving an even amount of space, we'll replicate that, drawing that at exactly the same size. Let's frame in the face now. So in the middle, we're going to curve a small line that arches down and then in. And now starting at that point, we're going to curve that background and up towards the base of the hat. Starting further up on our hat now, we're going to curve this line around, arching that in. And then lining this up at the same height on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then arching that in towards the base of the hat. On our point now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we'll do the same thing as we move over towards the right hand side. Now from here on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle, flattening that out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right hand side. For our nose now, moving directly up in the middle, we're going to draw a sideways oval shape. For our eye now, on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle. And now flipping over towards the left hand side, lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Squishmallow Mickey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.